Hi, in this quick video, I'll show you how to use PlugeThumb, a WordPress plugin that helps you automatically set featured images from YouTube videos and even convert images into optimized formats. Alright, let me quickly show you how PlugeThumb works. First, installation is super simple. Just go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, Add Plugin, search for PlugeThumb, install now, activate. That's it, no extra setup needed. Now if I open a new post, you will see a new meta box from here called YouTube and Media Library Video. If you paste a YouTube video link from here, the plugin instantly grabs the video's thumbnails and set it as the featured images automatically. No more screenshot or manual uploads. So let's try it. Just go to your YouTube videos and copy the share link. Then go back here, paste it a link, and you can also add the post title and description. For now, we will use this title. Then publish. Go down, and boom, here is the magic happen. Automatically set featured image. Alright, if you are working with a video from media library, you can also select it here. In that case, you will just pick an image from the media library manually and set it as the featured image. And here another cool part. You can even choose to convert images. For example, if I select WebP and update the post, PlugeThumb will automatically convert the featured image into WebP and also reduce the size. So let's see. Here we go. And yeah, the converted version is WebP, and it also reduces the size. That means faster load times and better performance. So yeah, that's PlugeThumb is novel, quick, lightweight, and works perfectly with both Classic Editor and Gutenberg. Super handy if you are publishing video content. You can download it here from the WordPress plugin directory and give it a try. Thank you.